Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. Okay, so what we will need for is next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So if you have removed the phone, you will see the cable and the power charging adapter, and down these things we will find, so if you remove it, we will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just move the wings like that and remove it. Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so if you don't have it, or if you cannot find it, you can use, of course, also the edge of the good old paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, very nice is that you are able to insert two SIM cards if you want at the same time here at the SIM tray, and also next to a micro SD card. So let's start now with the first SIM card. You will put it here on the first position. So take care, missing corner on missing corner here. And the contacts are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card. We'll put it here on the second position. So also missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. Okay, and also if you want, you can extend the internal storage with a micro SD card. You will put it here on the last position. So it should look like this then. Of course, you can use also the micro SD card with just one SIM card. Yeah, and the contacts are below as well, of course. Okay. So and after, just put your construction back into the phone. And that's it. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.